Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make image watermark on the last page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make image watermark on the last page. Go to the last page. Then click right button on our mouse and select Insert section. Then go to the View menu. Select the Master Pages option and go to the Insert menu. Click Picture. Then choose Picture from our file and insert it. Then decrease the size of the picture and move on the picture middle. Then go to the Format Shape option and go to Picture section. Then increase the transparency. Then click OK. Then go back the Master Pages menu. Click Close. Then go to the Fast section and press Shift on our keyboard to select this multiple page. Then click right button on our mouse. Go to the Master Pages section, choose None. Then we check the all page and we can see we make image watermark only from the last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.